These beautiful flowers are perfect for frying, and I'm gonna show you how. A zucchini blossom is the edible flower of a zucchini plant, and they are so tender and delicious. They're most commonly fried. Sometimes you'll find them stuffed with a delicious cheese mixture and then fried. I'm gonna go with this simplistic approach. We're gonna batter these, fry them up. They're gonna be so crunchy, a highly addictive summer snack. We'll start by making the batter. In one bowl, mix together flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl goes my milk, eggs, and olive oil, and then I'll combine the two and mix until it's smooth. And now we head over to the oil. We're gonna dip and fry. If you spread the flours out a little bit before you batter them, you have a lot more crunchy bits to eat on. You wanna have a little station set up. So you've got your batter, your oil, and then a tray or a plate lined with paper towels to drain them on. After you coat these in the batter, you're gonna place them in the oil and fry them for 2 to 5 minutes until they're golden and crispy. While I've got these beautiful blossoms and I'm standing at the fryer, I can't help myself but make some that are stuffed. I've got a mixture I've made with just ricotta cheese, a little lemon zest, and Parmesan. I'm gonna pipe this into the center and fry it. The Italians love to kind of stuff their zucchini blossoms and then fry them. I can't resist. Gotta do a crunch test. And for the taste test. It's salty and crunchy right off the bat. That's my favorite combination. And then you get that little delicate flour on the inside. These are just fun. If you can get your hands on some squash blossoms this summer, you should do it. It's the perfect something special to add to your next dinner party. And that's a wrap.